Hi guys, Faz this side here. In this seventh video, I am going to show you how advertiser can get access of all digital assets which had given by the client. Those are mandatory steps you just have follow and you just have to take as a partner access of clients every digital assets. To know more about what is this digital assets, you just have watched my previous video and you will get complete idea. We had created a complete playlist so that you can watch everything regarding Facebook ads. Just click the I button so that you can learn everything all about Facebook ads. So that's the thing. Let's dive into this video. I'm just going to the client's backend. Open this URL business.facebook.com/settings. Go through this URL and you will be redirected to this page. And first of all, you just have to check your Facebook page, Instagram and ad account is connected or not. So it is connected, right? So click these partners on the left side. Right, click this one, partner to share assets with. You just have drop your advertiser business manager ID. You can ask him. So I'm just dropping here. Click next and you can see here your page. If you didn't find your page here, you can click classic pages so that you can find their page, right? Okay, so select the page and give all access, the content, ads, insights, including revenue, everything. You just have give access and don't save it here. Go through these ad accounts on the left side, right? Click that one and again you have to give your page access and click manage ad accounts. Again don't save here. Click the Instagram accounts on the left side. You just have select this page and give access here, everything. So before saving changes, we must have checked our Facebook page, our ad account, our Instagram is connected or not. So then click save changes. Right, here you can see our page, our ad account, our Instagram has been connected. Okay, you can see here advertisers business manager ID, right? We had given our access to the advertiser. Now showing advertiser backend. Here I am going to show you how advertiser can get clients all digital assets to run ads for a client by advertiser end. So that's the thing. Advertiser should go this URL business.facebook.com and click on the left side partners. It is loading. So you can see here we got our client's business manager access. So click left side on the pages. You can see here we got our client's page. Click add people. Here we are giving ourselves as advertiser role. So select your name and give all access, everything, and click assign. Right, here we added one people had been added to this page. So again go to the left side ad accounts and find out your client page and click add people. Here also we have to give our access. Select your name and give all access, click assign. Right, and again we have to go on the Instagram account, select client's page and click add people. Again you have to select your name and give all access. We are giving for ourselves, right? For advertiser, click assign. Right, click done. So click people. We have to check out we got access or not of our clients. So refresh this page once more time. So let's find out. Right, we got our client's page, Facebook page here, and let's check out for Instagram. So you can see here we got client's Instagram account too, and we just find their ad account too. So we successfully got every access of their. Open new tab and search Facebook. I just want to show you if we got their page access or not. So click pages. Right, here you can see we got our client's Facebook page access too. So let's switch to the page. So click switch to the page. You can see here we got all access of the page. Even we can upload post also here. So that's the thing. And I just want to show you how we can create ads. So go to the backend, click all tools and click ad manager. We just redirected to the ads campaign level. You can see here my ad account and we can switch to the client's ad account so that we can use their ad account and create ads for them. So you can click create. Here we can see all campaigns. So that's how we can create ads for client. Thank you for watching this 7th video, and I really appreciate that. And stay tuned to my channel for upcoming videos. Until then, bye bye. Have a good day.